Meaning of face.
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 Face. The word face is a noun that refers to the front part of someone's head from the forehead to the chin, or the surface of an object that is seen first or most prominently. It can also refer to someone's facial expression or the way someone presents themselves to others, such as putting on a brave face. The term face has various meanings in different contexts, including in technology, e.g. interface, gambling, e.g. poker face, and beauty, e.g. face mask. Overall, the meaning of face is related to appearance, expression, and presentation.